We had 5 or 6 different projects to choose from, and I let them vote which ones they thought would be most interesting.
I'm working with a data set that's from Cindy Strong, who's a professor of chemistry at Cornell, and then also Angela Collins at the University of Iowa. And so the data is about pottery, archaeological pottery, from different indigenous communities in northwestern Iowa. So there's 113 sherds, which is just like a shard of pottery, and we have data about the chemical concentrations for all of them. So I'm using statistics to kind of analyze the chemical concentrations of the pottery. I think it's really interesting that just using like chemistry and statistics, you can make like conclusions about ancient communities.
Mine is on criminal justice data from the state of Minnesota. It has about 1 million incidents pretty much and 80 variables, so I'm analyzing a really large data set, and we're using R, which is a statistical software, to kind of draw any sort of conclusions and search for different relationships. And also a big part of this is to make the data accessible and understandable for everyone.
There's a lot of research that supports that undergraduate research, undergraduate opportunities like this are one of the largest components for student success after college. There's nothing better than actually getting to do something that is very similar to what you might do after graduation. It also helps students decide their futures, right? Students, they graduate at around maybe 22, you know, they're young still, they have a lot of time, but if you don't get to actually see what your job might be before you graduate, well then when you go take that job, you know where you're gonna be. Now you might be in a position where you don't actually like your job, or it's just there's a lot of reasons. It's also, you learn in a different way. You really build your problem solving skills in a research environment.